Hello mga ka-learning! Trivia time about comprehending stories. Hello kids! Today we will learn how to comprehend stories. That means we understand a story better by looking at its part. Let's start! Note important element, character setting, events. Every story has characters, the people or animals in it. It also has a setting, that the time and place. And of course, events, the thing that happened in the story. The second one, sequence 4 to 5 events. Stories happen in order. We can list events from first, next, then, and last. Sequencing helps us retell the story clearly. The third one, identify the problem and solution. Most stories have a problem. The characters face a challenge. Then comes the solution, how the problem is solved. The fourth one, infer the characters' feeling and traits. We can guess how a character feels or what they are like. Clues from their words and actions, how their feeling and traits. The fifth one, relate story events to one's experience. We can connect the story to our own lives. If a character is scared in the dark, maybe you also felt scared once. Making connections helps in understand more. The sixth one, identify cause and effect. Stories also show cause and effect. Cause in why something happens. Effect in what happens. Example, it rained hard, so the street was wet. Next is the predict a possible ending. We can use clues to predict what might happen next. Predictions are smart guesses based on the story. Next one, give a summary. Finally, we can make a summary. That means telling the story in short, just the main character settings, problem and solution. So remember mga ka-learning, when we comprehended a story, we look at the characters, settings, event, problem and solution, feelings, connection, cause and effect, predictions, and summary. Great job, story readers! Yun lang mga ka-learning. Stay tuned for the next trivia. Bye-bye!